Hi, this is Murray from Tassomai, and I'm here to show you about how our group quiz feature can be really powerful for interventions. Say you've got your Year 11s in for last minute exam revision and half of them are there, half of them aren't. Maybe some people are away on a trip or in another exam, or you just want to take a small group of your students and do some work with them as a subgroup of the class while the rest get on with an exercise. Well, here I'm going to do a quiz on all of atomic structure, but only for a select group of students. So rather than the whole class, I might just grab half of them. Let's say ironically that most of them are in the top half of the alphabet, and we just grab a sort of handful of them. Right, so that's probably about 10 or 12. Now it's going to compile a quiz based on these 11 students' specific mistakes versus the national kind of group, rather than the whole classes. Now in this case, 2 students have seen this and their accuracy on this question have been really quite low, only 1 correct answer out of their collective last 5. So, you know, we might be able to kind of click on this and see what these 2 students answered. Well, Dave thought it was just similar chemical properties. Adam correctly identified that it's all of these in this case. Nice opportunity for discussion, but of course the 9 who haven't seen it now have, and this will come up in their later practice as well because they've now been exposed to this question. Here's one where 7 of the students have seen it, so higher exposure, but their accuracy is still quite a bit lower than a national average, accuracy of 52% versus 60%, and so on and so forth. You can see that this is a quiz that's compiled specifically to address the needs of this group of 11 students, so it's highly relevant and the intervention is going to be highly valuable, and of course this will then go into their answer history so that all the work you've done in this quiz gets followed up in ongoing homework, and that's the real power of Tassomai, is the ability to reinforce knowledge through ongoing practice. Now, if you'd like access to this before next academic year, when it will be part of the platform, please contact my colleague Artie, because we're looking for schools to beta test, get involved through the summer, and I'm sure you can see how powerful this will be in summer revision pre-exams, for example, or to help with cover lessons and similar. So get in touch. Hope to hear from you soon.